So look at the phase of this. Plus 60 degree, 0 phase, 60 degree, and minus 45 degrees. So what is alternative? For first, according to the formula, RMS square is equal to 1 by T, 0 to T. I think this will be very lengthy calculations will come. 3 components are there. Again, I think not 3. 1, 2, 3, 5 components will come. Expanding that bracket A plus B plus C plus D and E whole square. Then integrating. It takes a lot of time. So what is alternative? The alternative is I will go for, I'll treat individual components as a vector. Already I think superposition of SHM, we have done the similar idea. So this is having a phase of then pi by 3, the magnitude. C is having magnitude of pi by 4. Then we'll calculate the X component of current. And what these are maximum. IMX should be equal to A plus B cos B by 2 plus C by root 2. There is no xy for our convenient vertical and horizontal, like this we are taking this one. So this should be equal to B root 3 by 2 minus C by root 2. Then what do we get? The resultant current IM is equal to, why we are doing all this? Because we don't know complex numbers. Actually, we know it. We can use complex numbers. Again, we should be very good in what? Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication of complex numbers. That will take more time. Instead, this approach will be easier. So this is the maximum current. Then what is IRMS? IRMS equal to IM by root 2. Then what about the phase angle? We can also predict the phase angle. The resultant tan theta, this should be equal to Im by Ix. So altogether this signal I can replace with magnitude IRMS and the phase angle theta. Is having a phase of theta. Theta is what? The resultant. So it may come somewhere here. I'm just putting some rough diagram. I think this will be much easier. I feel like I think less time you can conclude the problem like this.
Sir, we can expand also now, sir. Of
can you do this in less time? Try to understand. I'm saying something here. You can expand and integrate. It will take more time, but in exams you cannot do that much of time with this. Definitely they'll ask intentionally. You have to go for this. Nothing wrong in the first method. You have to expand and integrate. It'll take more time. 5 components will be there. Huh? A plus A, like a x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. So you have to expand that bracket. Got it, all of you?
We can take sin omega t together and cos omega t together now, sir. We'll get only 2 factors.
Sin C, sin D formula.
Yes.
See, any alternative trigonometry if you have, you can apply it. I'm against the integration. That's all. Got it, all of you? You can use any approach. Of course, nothing. Sin C plus sin D formula, you apply it. Solve it. Again, you'll get 3 components, not 2. A sin omega t will be there. This one. So further, if you are able to simplify this everything into only 2 component or 1 component, okay, well and good. Carry on. I am not against your mathematics. The resolution of vectors is which we are very familiar. Just I brought it here. Any of mathematical approaches you have, you can carry on, but it should take less time. So definitely the examiner who is asking, keeping this in mind, you will ask, not keeping this in mind. The students